Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi mommies, I'm sure you all have so many myths about so many food products, and sometimes I'm actually amazed from where all these questions arise, and these questions have been continuing for so many years. Even I had heard these things. When you're pregnant, there are so many people who are calling you up to give you free advices. Don't do this and don't do that. Remember one thing, listen to everybody, but please remember to consult your doctor and look out for facts before you follow those things. Papaya is such a good fruit, and poor thing got such a bad name. Everybody knows papaya you're not supposed to eat. Yes, green papaya should be avoided during pregnancy because that has certain chemicals which may cause contractions. Luckily in India we don't have too many recipes which are made out of green papaya. The ripe papaya is in fact very good for health. It has lots of enzymes and it is very good for digestive issues. Pineapple, yes, you must avoid pineapple if you are having it in large quantities. And luckily pineapple is one fruit which you can't really eat too much. And one simple thing to release you of your tension, if you have little bit of any of these things, it is not going to cause an abortion. It is not that easy that if you eat a little fruit, it will land up in abortion. It doesn't happen that way. Miscarriages are not so easy. So just chill and enjoy the fruits, but just avoid eating too much. Spicy food should be avoided in pregnancy. I say spicy food should be avoided anyway. Too many chilies and all that, but the myth that it will burn the eyes of the baby doesn't happen. When you eat a chili, it stays only till here. It doesn't burn your body anywhere else, and it is no way going to reach your baby's eyes. Spices are good for health as well. Anything in excess is not good. See, jeera is a spice, mustard seeds are spices, turmeric is a spice. Indian food is full of spices. We can't imagine having our meals without spices. But anything very pungent or eating too much of anything is definitely not good. It might cause acidity, dyspepsia, burning sensation. In pregnancy, as it is, these things are happening a little more. So don't do anything which can precipitate these things. So have a balanced diet with the right amount of spices. I will not say avoid spices, but the right amount of spices. Turmeric, it is so good for health. Now America is going for a patent for haldi, and we've been using turmeric in our food ever since. Now research has proved that it has so many properties. It is an antioxidant, it is an antifungal, and there are so many other healing properties in haldi. So please add the right amount and enjoy your food. Without haldi, Indian cooking is just not possible. And golden milk is also such an in thing. You can have 1 glass of warm milk. In that, add a pinch of turmeric and little black pepper. It has its own advantages. And I do prescribe haldi even to my patients after delivery. So it is an absolute myth. It does not reach your baby at all, and it will not cause jaundice in your baby. Jaundice in baby has other reasons, and it is definitely not turmeric. Chai. How can Indian live without chai? एक cup chai तो बनता ही है. So everybody has this attitude. But yes, tea does cause a lot of acidity. You can have different kinds of tea, herbal tea, and all these decoctions you can have. The chai that we make with lots of milk and we boil, that basically causes a lot of acidity. It has absolutely no effect on the baby's complexion. Many have the myth that if you drink chai, the baby will become dark. It doesn't happen that way. If that was the thing, and if Americans or the white-skinned people were having chai, they would have become tan. It doesn't happen that way. So this is an absolute myth. But avoid having tea empty stomach because that causes a lot of acidity. Nuts are a very good source of minerals and vitamins and good fats as well. Unsaturated fats are there in this, so it is very, very good. So remember to soak all the dry fruits and have little bit of everything. Few dates, few almonds, cashew nut, apricots, everything, little bit of walnut. nature has provided these things for our health. And the neighborhood amma, if she's saying they are not good, please, in adequate quantity, all these things are good. And I personally suggest a lot of groundnuts. I call it poor man's protein. So even these nuts are very good for your health. You can boil groundnuts, you can roast groundnuts and have them. So they're all very healthy. So having anything in adequate quantity is very good. And having soaked dry fruits is very good. Listen to your neighborhood amma, but remember to consult your doctor and use your IQ as well, and then enjoy it. Kesar, saffron. I just love the aroma of kesar. It is definitely good for health. Yes, some say it is garam, it is heat producing. So in excessive summers, it is best to avoid it. And it makes you fairer? No, this is an absolute myth. It definitely improves the quality of your skin. It can improve your complexion, not necessarily making you fair. And that flavor, you can add saffron to milk, you can add it to pulao, you can add it to biryani, you can add it to kheer. It definitely gives a very good taste. So it is definitely good for health, but just a few strands is all that is needed. Coconut. I feel it is one wonder fruit that everybody should have. How can you have a coconut and that will make your uterus hard? No. It is an absolute myth. You can drink tender coconut. The water has lots of sodium, potassium, chloride, and it is so good to maintain your electrolyte balance during pregnancy. So at least one tender coconut must be had every day. If you're not diabetic, then even the coconut is very good. You can always grate little coconut and put it on your food. Coconut has lots of calories, lots of health benefits, very good quality fat. So I say it is a win-win situation if you're having coconut. No way it is going to make your baby or your uterus hard. So just enjoy the tenderness. Just enjoy the benefits of all the fruits the nature has provided us. Myths are there. They will continue. These are a few myths that are covered. There would be many more. But please consult your doctor. Please verify from a source before rejecting those. If you have any more myths, you can always ask us in a comment section and we will reply to your myths. So have a great time. Have a happy, healthy pregnancy. Thank you and namaste.